It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on Keltner channels, an updated technical tool for trading stocks and commodities. Let's begin. Chester W. Keltner first introduced Keltner channels, which he called the 10-day moving average trading rule, in his 1960 book, How to Make Money in Commodities. Keltner channels were intended for commodities traders, and it is with them that they garnered the most favor, though some stock traders did find them useful. This was in a day before computers were widespread and easy to use, so Keltner's formula used simpler values. He calculated a stock's average price by finding the average of its high, low, and closing prices over the past 10 days to form the center line, and then found the 10-day average of the highs and lows to form the bands. However, Keltner channels fell out of favor with traders with the advent of computers, and lost market share to complex statistics like Bollinger Bands, which sought to determine the same things as Keltner channels. But then Linda Raschke introduced an updated version of Keltner channels in the 1980s. Instead of the average price formula used by Keltner, Raschke used the computer-aided exponential moving average to form the channel's center line. She also used a complex stat known as average true range, or ATR, developed by J. Wells Wilder in his 1978 book, New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. The upper and lower bands of the channels are now equidistant from the center line, by a distance determined by a multiple of the ATR, usually 2 times. Although the new and improved Keltner channels are popular with commodity traders, they've also achieved more widespread usage among stock traders than their predecessor ever did, even in the face of competition from Bollinger Bands. Here's an example of a chart with new and improved Keltner channel overlays. You'll notice how each of the lines act as either support or resistance in this chart, and how the stock tends to react very strongly once it exceeds its top band or falls through its lower band. Notice how the channels get tighter when the ATR, at the bottom of the chart, is lower, and vice versa. How to interpret a Keltner chart. When the stock's candlestick appears outside of the channels, it is a sign that it is either overbought or oversold. When it is above the top band, it's overbought and due for a correction. When it is below the bottom band, it's oversold and due to rebound. Additionally, the center line is the stock's exponential moving average, and it tends to act like support or resistance too. Thus, the stock will typically bounce off its EMA, but when it falls below it, it's normally going to keep falling until it hits its bottom band. And if it pierces through the EMA to the upside, it will typically keep going until it hits its top band. Keltner channels are gaining popularity, but they're still far from ubiquitous. Yahoo Finance, for example, offers over a dozen technical overlays, but does not have Keltner channels nor ATR. But there is a free site that does, stockcharts.com. Keltner channels can be used there by punching in the criteria displayed on this slide. Here's another example of a chart with Keltner channels that you can study. Notice what happened each time the candlestick strayed outside of the bands. To recap, Keltner channels are similar to Bollinger Bands in that they help you see if a stock is overbought or oversold, though unlike Bollinger's, they do not predict breakouts. Also, it must be noted, in order for you to use Keltner channels, you should use linear charts, not logarithmic, which is the standard. Good luck! We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thanks for watching and good trading!
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Backus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit tradingtips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting tradingtips.com.